It's vacation time and all we want to do is travel, eat, sleep, repeat, minus the bloat. So if you don't want to feel like a balloon on your precious holiday, then do watch this video and watch it till the end because I have a bonus tip for you. So bloating generally happens because of a lot of fermentation of the undigested food in our stomach. Now that could be because of stress, poor enzymes, low stomach acid, or a bad muscle tone of the stomach due to which the peristalsis doesn't happen. It could be because of a lot of other factors. But we still don't want to feel like that. It's so annoying and uncomfortable to walk around with a distended belly on your vacation, and we also want to enjoy all the yummy food that we are awaiting to indulge in. So how do we solve this puzzle of not getting bloated and yet enjoying our vacation to the fullest? Here are my few tips for you which I think can really help you. So the first one is clear broth first. Now generally a clear soup or a clear broth is available wherever you go, wherever you're staying. Now this clear broth or soup allows the digestive acids and juices to be released in your stomach and prepares your stomach for digestion of the food that you're going to eat later. So I'd suggest start your meal with a clear soup first. Chew your food like a cow. I really mean that. When we don't chew our food well, like at least 15-20 times per bite, we do not allow the stomach acids to be released, and whatever we eat stays in our stomach for longer, gets fermented and causes that distended belly which we hate. So if you chew your food well and you focus on chewing well, you'd not have that bloat. The third one is limit the variety of food at one time. Now, when we eat in a buffet or when we go out, we really want to eat everything that's there around us. But you know, the point is that your stomach has certain enzymes to digest different foods. When we eat a lot of variety at one time, our enzymes cease to do their job properly, with a lot of food remaining undigested in our stomach, which causes the protruding belly. So 2 or 3 variety of foods at a time should do good to you. If you really want to give up that bloat, limit your variety. The fourth one is watch your drink. Now I meet so many people who tell me, you know what Neha, I just can't down my food without cola. I just feel it helps me digest and clear my stomach. My dear friends, if cola could help you digest your food, half of the country would be without gut issues. Cola is nothing but just aerated water with artificial color, flavor and preservatives. And it adds more distress to your already distressed stomach and just makes the things worse for you. So a herbal infusion or a herbal tea or lemon water would just do the magic you want. Also, make sure you don't drink too much water immediately after your meals, because all you do is dilute your digestive juices and your food will stay undigested in the stomach, causing that balloon belly. So watch your drink. The fifth and the last one is fruits are not desserts. Yes, my dear friends, we all know fruits are healthy and they are really good for the body, but not as desserts. They are good when you eat them empty stomach. Most people think it's better to eat a fruit as dessert than anything else because fruit is healthy. But the point is that fruit has high amount of sugar and it's highly fermentable. So when you eat fruit immediately after your meal, it gets fermented faster and you don't even attain the nourishment and the nutrients that is present in the fruit. So all in all, it just bloats you. So don't eat fruits as desserts, eat them as mid-meals or the first thing in the morning, but not as desserts. And now coming to my bonus tip, as I promised, how to make a de-bloat tea. All I've done is I've taken 1 teaspoon of saunf, 1 teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of ajwain. Now all these seeds have great digestive oils. Then I've added 1 piece of ginger, which is very carminative and has great digestive properties, a pinch of rock salt and a dash of lemon juice. All in all, this drink is going to help you remove the bloat, help your stomach acids get released properly, help your enzymes to work better, and it will help you de-bloat immediately. So you can try this wherever you go in the world. These ingredients are easily available. Either you can carry them with you in small pouches, or all you can do is ask your hotel people to provide it to you. So friends, listen to your body. It exactly knows what makes it uncomfortable and it gives you the signs and signals. You just have to listen and follow what your body is telling you. Till then, eat well, sleep well, rest well, and think positive thoughts. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, let me know your comments in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel. Have happy and healthy vacations!